back with a mother. Daddy! As you can see, I'm outside. Outside.
Mommy, come on. Let's go on the other side.
It is snowing! Oh my goodness!
Well, why are you walking?
Come on, let me show you.
Okay. I'm coming. Hey, wait for me. No.
Come get into my pockets and see if you
Wait for me.
Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
Can you look in my pocket and see the key in there?
Yeah,
It's in this one.
about to build snowman. Lighters in your wallet. Not no key. I see you.
You want to build Olaf? Because Olaf is too tiny.
Come on.
Right here.
Hold on. Look, y'all. I got a little thingamajigger I'm about to try to ride on.
You about to try wire on that?
Yeah.
Can I try too?
Yeah.
Me too.
Y'all. Let me show y'all the front.
It will be so fun. Hey, Mom. Oh, can we take turns doing that? Can we?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, can I go first? Like, can I go first?
Yeah, if it works. Come on, let's go try it out.
Okay, try it out. Okay. Mommy, watch now.
Y'all, they want to slide down the hill. So,
Right here.
I'm about to try to set this up to see if it works. If it don't work, I'm going to try to find something else that'll make it work. Ah! So cold. The lake is frozen. You can't even see the lake. Look at it. Can't even see it. Here's the hill. Okay. They said I'm walking too fast. Come on.
Are you sure it will work?
I don't know. We about to find out.
Okay. Is it gonna be really scary?
No, it's gonna be really fun. Not really scary.
Why are you walking too fast?
I'm sorry. Sit on it, Bubba.
Sean?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah!
Oh my God.
Oh!
Hold on.
Stop!
Don't step on it. Sit on it.
Sorry.
Okay. Now sit on it. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah, I think. Come on, push harder.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just ready to go. It's not working.
We need a bigger one. Come on, we gotta go find a bigger one.
Oh, bigger one, yes. Bigger.
We gotta find a bigger one, y'all.
Yeah, how about that hill?
Did y'all build a snowman yet? I mean, did y'all make a snowball yet?
No. I don't know.
Okay, Mommy's gonna help y'all.
How about we go today try it?
Hold on. I got to get a bigger thingy so it'll work.
Mommy, I want a snowman.
Okay, baby. We're gonna build a snowman.
Snowman.
Come walk right here. It'll be easier for y'all to walk.
Okay. Walk right here.
Yeah.
Easy.
Y'all, it is so cold. Like, what?
I want to find out that.
Okay. It's so cold. Like, let me tell y'all, it is 9 o'clock in the morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning right now, I guess, but my kids woke up. I like triple dressed them, double dressed them, and everything. And baby, we out here. Okay, baby, build it. We out here. I'm gonna go find something bigger. It didn't work. I gotta find something bigger. Make sure stay warm and safe out there in the streets. If you are driving, hold on. Okay. If y'all are driving out there today, stay warm. I don't know why people would drive today, seeing how it is outside. Y'all, I'm breathing hard because, baby, woo, I'm tired already. Barely even did anything. But yeah, y'all stay warm, be safe, go under the speed limit. Don't try to go above it. Go under. Don't even try to go the speed limit. Safest way is to go under it because we don't need no risks, no nothing. So y'all stay safe out there today. And I got some things coming up. We about to build a couple of things in the snow with my babies. And I will get right back to y'all when I catch my breath. Okay. To the front. My goodness! Go. It's too thick.
Yeah, it's too thick. I told you it's not the sliding ice. See, it's making a mound. To be able to do it.
No, it's too thick. Look how thick it is. Uh-uh.
Maybe I should try too.
Let mommy see you do one.
I tried to. Can I never see it, dear?
Come do it over here, right here.
Can I really want to jump it? I'll tell my dad.
Yeah, right there. Go. Lay back. Do snow angel. Woo!
Wee-hee-ha!
Want me to help you out?
Huh?
Want me to help you out?
I want to mix it.
You did. You want my help? Let's look at it. Ooh, nice.
Mommy, it looks like a butt. Okay. I'm going to take the slide. Huh?
Do a ninja kick, he said.
Okay, what kind is it?
Any kind. Any kind. Oh my gosh.
make it back up.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Let's just make a little village.
Hey, I did it.
Uh-oh.
Look, Nova.
Cheese. Put it on there.
Oh, snaps.
Let me make it.
Cake balls. Oh my. So cold.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
My feet are freezing. Oh.
What the heck? She tripping. It's too cold.
So cold out here.